New DEA-41T1 exam questions are available. Come to read free DEA-41T1 dumps first. Question number 1. A system administrator wants to view the results of the Best Practices Analyzer (BPA) for their local server. Which Windows built-in tool can they use to accomplish this? A. Activity Monitor. B. Server Manager Local Server. C. Resource Monitor. D. Security Compliance Manager. Answer, B. Question number 2. What is commonly used by a system administrator to prevent electrostatic discharge when working on components inside a Dell EMC PowerEdge server? A. An interruptible power supply. B. Voltage regulator. C. Anti-static wrist strap. D. Non-anti-static floor mat. Answer, C. Question number 3. Which advanced feature does a Dell EMC Energy Smart Power Supply offer? A. Provides thermal management of the supply. B. Reverses airflow to meet data center requirements. C. Throttles output to power heavy components. D. Ability to update firmware without the need for downtime. Answer, A. Question number 4. What does well-organized documentation help a system administrator improve? A. Cost of running a server. B. Visibility of a system during an audit. C. Processor efficiency. D. Recovery time in the event of a failure. Answer, D. Question number 5. What is the purpose of the DNS role? A. Send out emails from a server to a client. B. Translate domain names into IP address. C. Transfer computer files between a client and a server. D. Distribute and update dynamic IP address. Answer, B. Question number 6. What should an administrator review, prior to deploying an operating system (OS), to confirm there are no hardware incompatibilities with the desired OS? A. iDRAC SEL. B. HCL. C. BPA. D. LCC log. Answer, A. Question number 7. What occurs during the data wiping process? A. Destroys CDs and DVDs by pulverizing and cross-cut shredding. B. Disposes sensitive data using file detection, disk formatting, and file encryption. C. Temporarily removes data from a read-write medium so that it can no longer be read. D. Logically connects storage media to a bulk wiping device. Answer, B. Question number 8. For which use case is Dell EMC OpenManage Essentials recommended for installation? A. Comprehensive, one-to-one systems management solution for remote or local servers. B. Management console for one-to-many monitoring of Dell EMC infrastructure. C. Operation of hardware while iDRAC is non-functional. D. Management and integration of operating system updates across an entire environment. Answer, B. Question number 9. Which protocol resolves IP addresses into MAC addresses? A. ARP. B. DHCP. C. DNS. D. STP. Answer, A. Question number 10. What is the Dell EMC ISM? A. Agent that expands iDRAC management functionality into the host operating system. B. Program that is installed and provides one-to-one systems management functionality. C. Systems management console that simplifies monitoring of multiple Dell EMC servers. D. Out-of-band management platform on Dell EMC servers. Answer, A. Question number 11. Which RAID level is recommended for high-speed data access and maximum storage capacity? A. RAID 0. B. RAID 1. C. RAID 5. D. RAID 6. Answer, C. Question number 12. What is an accurate statement in reference to software RAID? A. Software RAID does not have any data integrity issues. B. Software RAID requires a hardware license. C. Software RAID is an additional cost. D. Software RAID uses CPU resources. Answer, D. Question number 13. What types of data transfer are used by Dell EMC servers to connect mass storage devices? A. USB, Ethernet, SSD, and CSI. B. SAS, USB, Ethernet, and SSID. C. SSID, CSI, USB, and SAS. D. Ethernet, SSID, CSI, and SAS. Answer, B. Question number 14. What is a consideration for a hardware administrator who is physically installing multiple servers into a rack? A. Observe load requirements specified in documentation for the switch. B. Avoid unevenly loading the rack and creating a hazard. C. Ensure that the server can connect to Windows updates. D. Ensure that the associated UPS can also power the top of rack switch. Answer, A. Question number 15. Where can a history of change related to hardware components for a managed system be found? A. Windows event logs. B. RAID controller logs. C. Lifecycle logs. D. System event logs. Answer, C. Question number 16. What advantage do NVDIMMs have over other server-based memory technologies? A. Operate at lower voltages to save on power costs. B. Lower cost per gigabyte of capacity. C. Require less cooling than traditional memory DIMMs. D. Can retain contents even after a power loss. Answer, D. Question number 17. What is a key characteristic of a Type 2 hypervisor? A. Runs directly on the host with direct access to the hardware. B. Runs directly on the host without direct access to the hardware. C. Runs on an operating system installed on the host with direct access to the hardware. D. Runs on an operating system installed on the host without direct access to the hardware. Answer, C. Question number 18. What distinguishes server CPUs from client CPUs? A. Server CPUs have no overclocking features, client CPUs do have them. B. Server CPUs use identical socket types, client CPUs use multiple socket types. C. Server CPUs frequently have fewer cores and more processing power than client CPUs. D. Servers tend to have fewer CPUs installed than clients. Answer, A. Question number 19. A server is experiencing issues with completing post. The environment does not have a KVM or crash cart available to view where the system is halting. Which method can an administrator use to determine the first place to start troubleshooting? A. Run OpenManage Essentials. B. Check rear lights on the server chassis. C. Run Repository Manager. D. Check iDRAC post code. Answer, B. Question number 20. An administrator is implementing LTO5 drives in their backup solution. They plan to disable hardware data compression through their backup appliance. What is the maximum data rate that can be achieved? A. 80 megabytes per second. B. 120 megabytes per second. C. 140 megabytes per second. D. 160 megabytes per second. Answer, C. DumpSpace released cracked version of DEA-41T1 Associate PowerEdge Exam. 100% passing materials. DumpSpace offers you 28% discount automatically.